Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Geyer twin piston filler. This particular setup has taken the twin pistons and created one fill. You see the threaded port there for your nozzle. Twin pistons are about 2 7/8 ID with a stroke of almost 7 inches. The adjustable stroke is the handle right there, connected through the linkage you see in here, the crescent shaped piece. We've greased it up for testing purposes. It does elevate up and down. Has an agitated hopper. It's operating on 220 single phase voltage, or I'm sorry, 3-phase voltage. And see operating back there, that's the agitator for the hopper. Originally probably had a bottom up fill, that's the port you see here in the center. And it originally had the typical pin push intermittent motion conveyor. You'll see right here these are removable and they're marked for various sizes. There's a couple sets of them. These form the lanes as the container traveled down. And of course this fixture would have to be restored. It uses a small rod to push this each time, then coming back, little dog clutch type mechanism. And that would operate the chain in here. So it would be set up as almost a left to right fill. It does have the agitated hopper you see in there. We have lots of piston fillers in our stock, from simple units like this to more complicated and higher speed units. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.